Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docents DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Space Needle, the iconic tower of Seattle. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Space Needle built for the 1962 World's Fair? Yes, it was constructed to showcase a vision of the future. Is the Space Needle located in San Francisco? No, it's in Seattle, Washington. Was the theme of the World's Fair Century 21? Yes, it reflected optimism about the future. Did the Space Needle's design resemble a pyramid? No, it looks like a flying saucer on a tripod. Is the Space Needle taller than 800 feet? No, it's 605 feet tall. Did John Graham and Edward Carlson collaborate on the Space Needle's design? Yes, they worked together to create its unique look. Can visitors see Mount Rainier from the Space Needle's observation deck? Yes. The deck offers panoramic views of Mount Rainier and beyond. Was the Space Needle built in 1,000 days? No, it was completed in just 400 days. Was the Space Needle renovated in 2018? Yes, the Century Project added glass floors and enhanced the experience. Does the Space Needle symbolize innovation and forward thinking? Yes, it represents Seattle's vision of the future. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.